Well, out there, guys, it is Friday, and I'm gonna sneeze. Yeah, here's the big storm we were expecting. Sure would have liked to have hit the trails this weekend, being that it's a holiday Monday. Not that it really matters to me since I'm not working, but yeah, I'd rather be out doing something than trapped inside the house all day. Today I just took care of some business around town, went to the gym, had a good workout, I figure heck. Trying to lose some pounds here. Yeah, that's what it looks like outside. This is about as bad as it's been. Constant, not too heavy, but windy. You can see the palm tree over there. I seen a couple downed trees while I was out driving around town. Let's close this, we're getting wet. So what's everyone doing this weekend? Don't look like I'll be doing much. I know one of the guys on Facebook was going out to Death Valley. Could be interesting, or it could be like, was it last month when I was out there during the storm? It was just too windy to just sit back and relax, and watch it rain. That was my plan anyway. I figured, heck, I'd go out there and just kick it and watch it rain, have a few cold ones. But it was just too windy during the day. Had to sit in the truck, But, yeah. That's about it. That's all that's going on here for Friday. I did get some parts in today. Got some from electrical stuff. Battery cables, a fuse box. Battery ends. See these right here? Yeah.